So today I have this NCVI double electric breast pump to unbox and to review, to show you in details how to use this one, how to turn it on, how to install it all together, how to uninstall it, and so very on. So let's get started first of all from the unboxing. So guys, so happy to show you the full unboxing of this NCVI double electric breast pumps. This actually comes with a 12 ports, which makes the suction to be more stable. It have 4 different modes and 9 levels. It have the medical grade stable suction, and it is a 100% painless lactation. So the NCVI device comes with a double electric breast pump. So it have 4 different modes. Each mode of these has the 9 different levels, which is actually bring us to 36 different options, variations, all that meet the most mom's demands. The double pumps here to express more milk from our breast and in less time. So it actually saves the time for the mom and it painless, and it is possible to change the different sides with no any problems, with no any difficulties. This breast pump contains a 2200 milliampere lithium battery, which actually you can charge, and then you can use this breast pump anywhere you want. It's definitely a portable one, so you can take this one with you anywhere you are going inside of your bag, definitely, because you only need to charge it once and then it's enough for a long time of using, because it have this large capacity of the battery. So it's actually making this pump to run 2 to 3 times without a charge. So it can be charged in a different ways, like from the computer, from the power bank, from your car adapter, and of course that it comes with a plug-in, so you definitely can just charge it from your socket home. So moms, there is nothing to be worried about. You will always have your machine fully charged, working there for you. This breast pump contains 4 flanges of different sizes, so moms can have more choices, and it's actually more individual, so you can choose the one that is gonna work for your individual size of the nipples. This device is so very easy to install and to uninstall. The TRP silicone that the parts for this device made from, it's so very soft and gentle, so it's never gonna hurt your nipples or your breast. Also, this TRP silicone material is gonna prevent the milk from leaking out. The design of this breast pump is the anti-backflow design. It is completed and it's so very great. So moms, there is nothing to be worried about. The milk backflow prevention valve prevents the milk flow from the bottle to the body, and the silicone diaphragm prevents the milk to flow to the pump. So the design is 100% thoughtful and works great. The noise that this machine makes, it's under the 40 decibels. So when the machine runs, it is not gonna wake the baby up. All of the accessories are BPA free, which is safe for every mom and every baby. The NCVI is always pays attention to the product safety and quality. So it is definitely can be used with a 100% of safeness. It is so very comfortable to pumping, and it is gonna help you to produce more milk. I love the pink design of this device, and it's actually improving the mood, and it just looks so very cute. I love how pink the device, I love the gold design with the pink, and I love that it's a touch one, so it works so very good. So the package came with so many different items. So first of all, it came with 4 different flanges: 21 millimeters, 24 millimeters, 28 millimeters, and 32 millimeters. So it is gonna fit every breast, every nipple ever exists. It also came with 10 pieces of milk storage bags, like the plastic bags, as a gift, and that's amazing because these are so very useful. The noise is very quiet, it's never gonna wake up anyone, not the mom, not the baby. It have this anti-backflow design, and it's actually single or double free switch, and it have this large capacity of a lithium battery that is enough for 2 to 3 times of full usage. So guys, be sure to check this one out. The link is gonna be down below in my description box. And now let me show the full installation and the on installation of this whole system. So when the device being charged, these three symbols of the battery are actually shows and explains how much of the battery is allowed there. If all of these three symbols are always light, like the lights is up, that means that the charge is finished and the battery is full. If any of these are flashing, it means that is still charging. Of course, accordingly to the symbol that is flashing currently, you can understand the level of the battery. The battery can work almost 19 minutes, and if you are using 20 minutes once a time, it can be used about 4 times after one charge. You should give it a long press, the turn on, turn off, like the middle button. This button can also pause the motor or make it to keep on working. Now, you have these numbers on the displays, and I'm gonna explain you what this number means. So the first number actually means the minutes. The number means how many minutes this machine currently works, like already. The device is gonna be shut down when the time of the minutes are gonna turn to 30, because it is a safe device. So it is actually have this algorithm installed in, which is gonna make this one to be automatically turned off after 30 minutes of use. Then the next number right in front of the minutes, it actually means the level of suction you are currently in. Of course, that every mode, there are like 4 modes, every mode have his own level of suction, and this device is actually so smart that it is remembering the number of each mode that you are working on. So this power, this level of suction is available to be changed from 1 to 9, when 1 it's the default one, when you are like just turning the device on. If the mode is massage mode, so the number will be up from 1 to 5 automatically. Other modes, you need to adjust the level of suction by yourself. The levels are as 1 it's the lightest level and 9 it's the strongest level of suction. Now, there are 4 different modes available to use this device, and they can be changed by pressing the button which symbol is M, like manual, like M. So this button is gonna switch the modes. There are 4 different modes: massage mode, multitronic suction mode, suck simulate mode, and express mode. They have a different frequency and different stage, and you can put your own individually, personally mode that is gonna work the best for you after you've tried all of them, and you can decide which one is gonna work the best for you. So how to assemble this double electric breast pump? So first of all, before you are using this device, you have to ensure that your hands and the NCVI breast pump, both of them are cleaned and disinfected. So here is how you should use this one. So first of all, you should push the silicone duckbill valve onto the pump body. This one is removable, and like you can remove it and put it back accordingly to your needs, of course. But currently I am showing you the uninstalling and the installing, like the full system installing and uninstalling of this breast pump. So first of all, you should be sure that the silicone duckbill valve is inside of the pump body. Then you have to attach the flange onto the pump body. You can choose the flange that is right for you. There are 4 different sizes available. 2 flanges of each size are coming inside of this set, so you are actually getting 8 flanges. So you should just try them out and understand which one, which size is gonna work better for you. So after you attach the flange, you have to attach the cylinder inside the cylinder bottom cover. This cylinder is actually responsible to pump the milk from your breast, and this one can be washed. After that, you should screw the cylinder cover onto the pump body. While you did it, you now can screw the bottle into the pump body. After that, you can insert one of the ends of the air port of the cylinder cover, and the other side of this air port should go to the PVC connector into the device body. So now you have to insert the PVC connector into the hole of the pump body. There are 2 holes, so you can use it as a single breast pump or as a double breast pump, whatever works for you, definitely your choice. After that, you have to make sure that it have the full insertion. When using the double breast pump, you have to make sure that the 2 connectors are connected well into the 2 holes of the pump. While you are using the single breast pump, you have to make sure that one of the holes is blocked by the silicone plug that is installed into this device. After that, you can insert the DC connector of the USB cable that is coming inside of this package into the socket adapter and plug it in to the power. You don't have to do it if your device is charged, but if it's not charged, so of course that you have to charge it, right? So please notice that some of the parts cannot be washed. If you are gonna wash them, the water will let the product broke. So the body pump cannot be washed. The air pump cannot be washed. And of course that the charging cable and the head cannot be washed. The cylinder can be washed, but you have to make sure that it is totally 100% dry when you are using the pump. The rest parts of this breast pump can be washed and sterilized by hot water or any other method that you are using. It is recommended to use the breast pump only when all of the parts are dry. Sometimes you can feel that the machine is not really sucking out right while you are using the double sides mode. So this is how you can solve it. First of all, you have to check if the cylinder is installed right. Just, like uninstall it and install it back and make sure that it is installed right. Then you have to check if the air tube and the connector are connected well. You have to check if the connector and the motor device are connected well. You have to check if the connector and the upper cover are connected well. And you have to check if the silicone duckbill valve is connected well. These are the most common mistakes when you are using it. If you feel that one side have no suction while you are using the double sides mode, so you have to click the symbol of the double mode once again, and then you have to try again. It should work. If you feel that one side have not enough or have no any suction when you are using the single side mode, so you have to check if the connector connected right to the hull with the one section, single section side mode symbol. Love this set by NCVI. It all looks so very cool. It comes with everything you can ever think about, with everything you need. There is nothing that is missing in this package. It's actually a package, a full box of so many things, and it definitely contains everything you can ever think about, everything you need. The coolest thing about this device is that they power, the brain of this system, the actually pump device can be used as a mirror. Check this out, guys. So here is the camera I'm filming on, and this is so very cool. So yeah, this one can be used as a mirror as well, not only as the pumping up device, but as a mirror as well. And I definitely think that this is so very cool. So guys, I really hope this video was helpful for you. I really hope you learned something new. I definitely highly recommend you guys to check out the NCVI double electric breast pump out.